Okay, watch this. Boom. Now we can subdivide this. Let's try different models. By the way, I used union and difference booleans to make these shapes. This is a completely free add-on for Blender. I'll put the link in the description and show you how to install it. Let's try it with text model. Okay, we can change the density. A bigger number means fewer polygons, while smaller number means more polygons. The important thing is that you have to use Shade Auto Smooth feature to define sharp edges. If the edges are sharp in the viewport, then this add-on will recognize them. Otherwise, it can cause issues. After remeshing is complete, you can manually add edge loops to places where you want them to be sharp. Alright, this is an interesting shape. Oops. As you can see, we have an issue. These kinds of issues can happen since no add-on can remesh at human level. In these scenarios, I just check the source mesh. As you can see, we have two close lines side by side. I will delete them and try again. I think it worked well. If your model has symmetry, you can also click Symmetry option on the add-ons panel. It will make the new model symmetrical. I'm not claiming this add-on is magical, but it will definitely help you in certain situations. Installation is very simple. Open Google and search for QRemeshify. Then open the GitHub page and download the latest release. In Blender, click on the Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install from disk. Select the zip file you downloaded and make sure it's enabled. Now press the N key and open the side menu. It has some parameters you can experiment with if you want. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.